'06 GMC. I want you guys to listen to this. Go to this side. When I do that, do it again. You can feel a weird vibration in the tire. Can you guys help me out and figure out what that is? Thank you.